Introduction to email templates.
The previous user may need templates, also known as canned responses, help you quickly reply to common questions or send routine information. In this guide, you'll learn how to create, manage, and use email templates in both platforms to streamline your workflow.
Enabling and creating templates in Gmail.
To start using templates in Gmail, first enable the feature by going to Settings, selecting the Advanced tab, and turning on Templates. Then, compose a new email, write your template text, click the three dots at the bottom right, choose Templates, and select Save Draft as Template. You can save and manage multiple templates for different purposes.
Using Gmail email templates.
When you want to send a template, compose a new message, click the three dots menu, select Templates, and choose the template you want to use. The saved text will appear in your email. Edit or personalize as needed before sending. This process can help you respond faster to frequent requests while reducing errors.
Creating and managing templates in Outlook.
In Outlook, you can create email templates by composing a message with your standard text, then selecting File, Save As, and choosing Outlook Template as the file type. To use a template, go to New Items, More Items, and then choose Form. Select User Templates in File System to find and insert your saved templates.
Maximizing efficiency with templates.
Email templates are perfect for routine tasks like meeting confirmations, follow-ups, and customer service replies. By customizing templates with placeholders, such as names or dates, you can maintain a personal touch while working efficiently. Regularly review and update your templates to ensure they remain accurate and relevant.
Conclusion: streamline your email communication.
Setting up reusable email templates in Gmail and Outlook makes handling repetitive emails faster and more consistent. Whether for business or personal use, learning to create, edit, and send canned responses can be a valuable time-saving skill in your daily communication.